So, hello and welcome back, and another how-to video and a bit information for the Focus Mk3, Mk3.5, even some Fiesta have the same problem. So, what's the problem? Problem is you have seat belts, you click your seat belts and still you're getting that beep, 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 like you didn't click it. So, usually what's the problem? It's this electronics in this side, in this seatbelt holder. So replacement, it's not so hard, and I'm gonna show you how and why. So you have this one screw on the side of the, and this is T50. So yeah, it would be nice if the battery would work. So no battery, this battery is dead. Yeah, next time I need to prepare a little better for the work. But hey, here I have another one. So you take this out, and there is this wiring that goes all around everywhere. So here you will take from this side out. So you need to go around, check out here, see. So this stays like this. You just open, click it out, and here we have that purple one. So there is one click over. I don't know if you can see here. There is just one click here. You just click here with this little screwdriver. So as always, you need a screwdriver. And you just take that out. So here could be a little bit problem because there is like 3-4 wires. I can do this. You should do the same. Nothing too special. So you take that out, and after that you just check it out. So same process when you get replacement. I don't know if you're gonna buy new or used, that's up to you, but usually this is the problem when you click the let me show you. So when you click the, where it is, yeah, here you click, yeah, and the beeping still. So 99% that's the problem. So you take that out, change for another swap, and that should fix the problem 99% of the time. So it's not always that problem, but mostly it is. So I hope this helped, and well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and all the other things that will help to grow the channel. So, and I can keep up the making videos for you guys. So that's that. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.